In this CAC registration video, let me quickly show you how to file annual returns for your business, your company, or organization. Now, annual returns is a mandatory payment that you must make every year if your business or organization is registered with the CAC. Mind you, annual returns is not tax, and if your business is newly registered with the CAC, you have an 18-month free period where you don't have to pay these annual returns. After 18 months, the CAMA law stipulates that you must begin to file your annual returns every year. So even if your business is not active, I mean maybe you have registered your company or your business or your organization, but that business is not operational, you are not doing anything. As long as your business is existing on the CAC database, then you have to make this payment. Don't worry, it's just a token, as you will soon see when we start, but if you fail to make this payment, your business will still be existing on CAC website, but it will be deemed inactive. Then anytime you decide to start paying, you will have to pay for all the years that you have defaulted, and you also have to pay the late payment penalty. I guess you don't really want to unnecessarily go through that. So like I said, it's a very small amount, but then even the penalty fee is more than the actual fee that you are going to be paying. So save yourself the stress and wastage of money by making sure that you make this payment every year. So in this video, I will walk you through the process of how to carry out your annual filing or to make the payment for your business. And if you have defaulted, I will also show you what to do. Meanwhile, if you want me to help you file your annual returns or clear your penalties, or maybe your business is currently inactive and you want to activate it, then you can chat me up using the WhatsApp link in the video description below this video. Please don't call, just chat. Also, if you want to learn this CAC registration business and make between 10,000 naira to 120,000 naira every day registering other businesses and helping them solve uncommon problems which many people cannot solve, then I invite you to my masterclass where I hold your hands and I will teach you and give you maximum help and attention so that you can learn to do this and then you offer it as a service. You can also chat me to join. It's just 10,000 naira for that class, and you can register directly by clicking the registration link in the video description also. I can also help you register your business and then fix all manner of your CAC queries. You can also reach out to me if you need any of these services. Feel free to also watch my free CAC playlist if you want these free trainings on CAC registrations and you don't want to pay. I will leave the link to some of these videos in the video description. So to carry out your annual filing, open your browser and then type in post.cac.gov.ng. Alright, so once you are signed in into your post registration dashboard, this is the first thing that you're going to see. So as you can see here, you want to search your company or your business name, whichever. And then from what you can see here, you can actually use either your registration number, your name, I mean the name of the business, the address of the business, the email of the business, or the phone number of the business to search for the particular business that you want to carry out any of your post incorporation services on. And like I said here, we are trying to file our annual returns. So what I'm going to do here is to click here. Now these are some of the businesses that I have opened in the last few days. So if you don't find anything here, you'll be required to actually manually place in your business name or your phone number, or whichever one you want to use as your credentials to search. So here I'm going to go for this one, and then I'm going to click on search. Okay, so here is what my dashboard looks like for this particular business that I'm trying to fix. So all I need to do is just to come to this proceed to dashboard, and then I'm going to click on that. All right, so this is what the post incorporation dashboard looks like. So as you can see here, these are the list of the different post incorporation features and changes that you can actually do for any of your business name or company. Okay, so here, without wasting your time, I will be going for annual returns. If you want to go for any other one, maybe change of edit proprietor information, certified true copy, and the rest of them, all you need to do is just to click on that. So here is annual returns is the first option by default. So that is why you're seeing start annual returns here. So I'm going to click on start annual returns, and then I'm going to click on start process. Okay, so all I need to do here is to fill all of this information as accurately as possible. So what you really want to do, if you probably are offering this as a service, is to get all of this information out and give it to your customer to fill them in properly, and then you can come in here and fill the information. So once you fill the information correctly, all you need to do is just to come down. As you can see here, they have already told me the number of years that is not filed. So here, this particular business is owing 4 different years. So your own will also appear here as seen. So once you do all of your filling, all you need to do is to come in and click the save and continue. So let me pause this video, fill this information up, and then we're going to continue from there.
A few moments later.
Okay, so once I fill my form and I'm sure that all my information are correct, I'll come down here, and as you can see here that this save and continue has been activated, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, so here is where you're going to check up your preview to be very sure that all your information are well imputed. Okay, and once you're very good with that, you just go to proceed to payment. As you can see here, this button is already activated, so I'll go ahead and do that right now. And then another thing I want you to take note also of is that even though this particular annual return that I'm trying to file is actually 4 different years, but you will see here that I actually have to do the filing one after the other. Okay, so you cannot stack all of them together at once, so you have to be repeating them. That is if the annual return you're trying to file is more than 1 year. So I'll go ahead and proceed to payment. So as you can see here that late filing for annual returns is 5,000, while the actual filing of business name itself is 3,000 naira. So you can see here that we have 8,000 naira that we have to make payment for, so we'll go ahead and do that right now. So all I need to do is to click on the remitter here. All right, so you can see now that it is successful. Okay, so like I said, I always love to download my payment receipt, very important, so I'll do that. Okay, so now I can go to the final step of this process, which is to upload my necessary documents. So I'm going to click on this. All right, so as you can see here, there's really nothing, mandatory for me to upload because it's actually annual filing, so it's not an issue. So I will just go ahead and then I'm going to submit this. All right, so no record found, that means it's submitted. So I will go back to my dashboard. Okay, so let's look at this again. Proceed to dashboard. All right, so as you can see here, my annual return is pending approval. So that means this process has been done successfully, and once this approval is successful, it's going to be approved here, and then that's all to hit. And then when I search for the name now, maybe on the CAC website, it will be showing that this particular business name has been activated. So that is how easy it is for you to be able to file annual returns on the CAC post registration portal. So it's as simple as that. This is how to file your annual returns with the CAC. I hope it's very clear and straightforward. But if you have any question for me, or you want me to help you with the annual filing or any other CAC issues or your registration, then chat me up using the WhatsApp contact in the video description. Please, if you enjoyed this video, I really want you to do me a favor. I want you to like this video, and I think it's a video that you will really need to share because a lot of persons will want to see this information. So please help me share it on your social media platforms. And if you want to get amazing digital marketing and make money online opportunities, just like this video you have just watched, and you are an unsubscribed visitor to this channel, why not? You can just hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert notifications so that you get to see anytime I publish new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.